Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good day, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for coming to class today. But before that, let us start the session with Al-Fatiha. Okay, I'd like to begin the session by revising chapter 1 and 2. Yeah, so chapter 1 is basically about the concepts of PPR. Yeah, is knowing where you are. Yeah, that consists of the definition of PPR, the 4 keywords of PPR, the 9 dimensions of business reengineering within that 3 layers. If you still remember, okay, when is the reengineering the answers with 8 situations that will benefits the organization. If that's you have that 8 situations, so that is the right time for re-engineering. Okay, 7 warning signs of trouble for re-engineering. The diagnosis of processes of suspect products and services. Okay, creating a business case. And lastly is the 5 critical success factors for business reengineering. While chapter 2, it's about the principles of PPR, lighting the way. Okay, just now we want to know where we are, and then next is lighting our way. Consists of 7 process redesign principles, 7 transformation principles, and 6 continuous process improvement principles. Alright, so basically for today I'm going to talk about the 3rd chapter. Alright, the 3rd chapter of the syllabus, okay, which is on creating vision and establishing goals. Creating vision and establishing goals. Know where you are. Previously, not know where you are, know where you are going. Okay, the first one will be know where you are, second is lighting the way, and now it's know where you are going. So at the end of this chapter, you should be able to list the characteristics of powerful re-engineering visions, the 6 characteristics of a powerful re-engineering vision. Write a vision for a re-engineered organization. The 3rd is defining goals, the purpose of goal settings. The 4th is explain the visioning and goal setting process, right? And we have 5th objective is to describe the problems encountered in the process, and lastly discuss the sizing the project. Alright, okay, so that's about the objectives of this chapter that you will need to acquire at the end of this chapter. Alright, so basically in setting the direction to improve all products, right, to improve the services, okay, and processes, it is accelerated. Okay, it is getting faster, it is speeding up, alright, if everyone challenges the status quo every day. Alright, if the employees in the organization or the customers, they are challenging the status quo every day, then it will be accelerated. Alright, therefore the leaders, they can set the stage, alright, the stage for this challenge by developing answers to 6 fundamental questions. So what are these questions? Alright, among the question, the first question is, why do we exist? Right, what is our purpose? That is the mission of the re-engineering. Okay, why do we exist? Okay, why do this project team exist? All right, and what is our purpose of establishing this group project, this project team. Yes, so that is the mission of the re-engineering. Second question that you will need to answer is, okay, what will we look like in the future, tomorrow? Okay, in the future, what will we look like? Okay, what do we want to become? Okay, that is the vision of the re-engineering. The third question that we need to answer is the goals and objective. Okay, what are the long and short-term accomplishment that will enable us to fulfill our mission, okay, and attain our vision. Okay, the fourth question to be answered is the policy. All right, what guidance will we provide to the many individuals in our organization as to how they should provide products and services to our customers? The procedures, the policy, the guidelines, the standards that we have. So what are the guidance that will provide to our employees in the organization? The fifth question that you should answer is, what do we believe in? Okay, what do we want everyone to abide by? Okay, it's called the value of the organization. Either it is the integrity value, the honesty value, the synergy value. Yeah, so it depends on the organization. And the last question is how we are going to move toward our vision and accomplish our goals. So that is basically about the methodology. Okay, so I guess everyone has heard what is mission, or what you have heard of the term mission, vision and goals. So what's the difference between these three? Okay, what's the difference between vision, mission and goals? Okay, so a vision is actually focusing on tomorrow. All right, what an organization wants to ultimately become. Yeah, so you are focusing on tomorrow, your dreams, all right, your hopes. What are the hopes and the dreams of the organization? Okay, what problem are we solving for the greater good? Okay, that is the vision. Who and what are we aspiring to change? Okay, and then the mission is this statement that focusing on today. All right, today and what an organization does to achieve it. Okay, so what do we do daily to achieve the vision? All right, whom do we serve? All right, how do we serve them? All right, so that is the mission. Mission is actually the one that support the vision. All right, so both are important. All right, of course, both are important to a company's survival, as one doesn't work without the other. So they work together. Okay, both are vital in directing to goals. Right, so both vision and mission are very important. They need to work together to direct them to achieve the goals. All right, so you might have a question of how often. All right, how often a company should change their vision or mission statement, or when is the right time to revisit the mission or mission statement? When? Okay. Can you answer? When is the right time for us to change and to revisit our mission or vision? Is it within a few months? Is it within a year or 2 years, 3 years? Right? Company usually they change their vision or mission. Okay, once they have achieved those things, the one that they have stipulated earlier, or the company is actually now pivoting. Right? So whenever a major market or there's a technology shift, it has the potential to impact the business model. If the market, the technology shift, it will impact the business model. The company should take time to consider the potential impacts and whether or not it warrants the change in the company vision statement. Alright, so they need to think, most of the time it is because of the technology, it is because of the demand. Alright, however, the vision should be far-reaching beacon. Alright, if the vision potentially restricts growth, change will be difficult. Alright, change will be difficult, and it will impede that which it is trying to accomplish. Okay, so we need to look at when is the right time for us to revisit the vision mission. Alright, what makes a vision powerful? This is another subtopic. What makes the vision powerful? A powerful vision statement stays within you. Alright, it stays within you. Let me give an example of Disney. Disney, they have a vision of to make people happy. So it is a catchy tagline. Alright, or what do we have? If you can think of a vision of UITM, Usaha Takwa Mulia, for example. Alright, so we have 6 characteristics that makes a powerful vision. First is specificity. You should be clear and concise, focused, aligned with business goals. Alright, second characteristics of a powerful vision is customer focus. You have to put your customer needs first, alright, to enhance customer satisfaction and build strong customer relationship. Alright, the third characteristics of a powerful vision is integrates process, people, and technology. Alright, so re-engineering visions portray a future that truly integrates these three, process, people, and technology. For what? To cooperate that has been difficult to achieve before. But with proper training, proper training, it can be achieved. We have changes in terms of technology. People need to change from time to time in which they are in their comfort zone. The fourth characteristic is bedrock changes. Alright, this is actually about the basics, the principles that make the organization run. So strong relationship builds on a bedrock of strong values. Alright, change every system that make organization run. Strong values, is the bedrock of the organizational culture. Alright, so it is interrelated with each other. Culture is the bedrock of for coping with change or innovation. Alright, so bedrock changes. Fifth, create a new reality. Believing is seeing. I am sure that everyone has heard about this quote, believing is seeing, or seeing is believing. So both internal and external customer will believe in leaders, and will commit their time, will commit their effort, will commit the resources that they have to make it happen. Alright, to make it happen if they see the leaders communicate the vision statement. Right, and the last characteristics of a powerful vision is express the desired value of a new organization. So we need to identify what you, your customers, and others and other stakeholders can be expected to value. Okay, most about how your organization will achieve the mission. All right, so these are the 6 characteristics of a powerful uh, mission. All right, so you can refer to page 42. What are the things that that we need to emphasize on? Okay, develop partnership. All right, develop partnership here with customers, are receptive to new ideas. Okay, take full responsibility for our performance. All right, so you have to express the desired values of the organization. Okay, deliver the maximum ROI, return on investment. Okay, make practical choices. Okay, hold the welfare of the organization. Okay, encourage initiative, risk-taking and teamwork. Respect and value each employees, so you need to reward the employees. Okay, learn from our mistakes and celebrate our success. Okay, so these are the 6 characteristics of a powerful vision. Okay, so if you apply these 6 characteristics, inshallah you will have that powerful vision that will help you to achieve the goals, the mission of the organization. Alright, so that's basically about the first topic of the day. Okay, I actually have the examples of vision and mission for a few organizations. So I'll share the slides with all of you, and please take a look at the examples of the vision and mission. Please compare what's the difference between the mission and the vision of each of the company, and so that you will understand what is it the vision, what is the mission. So vision is about tomorrow, okay, but mission is about today. Okay, so I'll share the slides afterwards. And thank you. That's all for today. Assalamualaikum.